I love the fact that I have a screen that always tells me the battery level. I just got my new vacuum by PRETTYCARE. It's very affordable, and for the price you get a ton of features. I love the design and the color. It's very light, and this makes a big difference when you're vacuuming your house. It's also at the same time very powerful because it is powered by this big battery. There is a nice LED screen here where you can see the battery indicator and you can make it stronger. As you can see, this is 60% and you can make it stronger. And it's very effective. I love the fact that when you vacuum, these LED turn on and you can see better during the dark spots. It's very powerful. This vacuum is really nice because it's also modular, so you can simply detach the main piece and attach some of the attachments. You get 2 extra attachments. This one for the little spots, so you want to get in some little corners. And the suction power is very strong. And again, you can make it stronger or lower. And you can also use the second attachment they give you, which is this one, for couches. It's very effective, I think. Inside the bag, they also give you an extra filter. So when you want to change it, I suggest once every year, you can take it out, wash this one, and you can in the meantime use the one that already give you. And inside there is the charger, which has a pretty long cable, and you power it here. And so you can attach it to the base and charge it. It doesn't take that much to charge it. I usually charge it once it reaches 50%, 40%, and it takes like around 1 hour. So I think for the amount of power, it's a good compromise because it's very powerful and the battery lasts, I think, a good amount of time. It's also very important to mention that there is a nice instruction manual inside, and you have this attachment you can attach to the wall, either with this adhesive or with some screws that they give you inside the box. So it's very nice that they give you 2 options, so you don't need to drill the wall. You can also use the adhesive here, which is really nice. I'm done cooking. As you can see, there is a mess of crumbles. I'm going to use the vacuum to take out all the excessive dirt. And also silent. I have to say, it's pretty silent. I really like the fact that I can make it stronger here. The main part here is adjustable, so you can decide which length to keep it. And you can actually change the head here and make it nice to clean also the ceiling, which is good for spider webs. I have to say I've been really enjoying using my vacuum by PRETTYCARE. It's very light and powerful, and for the budget, I think it's a great purchase.